Coconut body wash is a great way to get clean while enjoying a tropical scent. One of the best options is Nourishing Coconut Body Wash by OGX. I'll leave everything in the description. This body wash is creamy and smells wonderful, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Another popular choice is Coconut Milk Body Wash by Shea Moisture. It's made with natural ingredients and is perfect for people with dry skin. This body wash has a rich coconut scent and helps keep your skin moisturized. Another one is Coconut and Vanilla Body Wash by Bath & Body Works. It's also a favorite. It combines sweet smell of coconut with warm vanilla, making your shower feel like a mini vacation. It lathers up nicely and rinses off easily. If you want something more gentle, Coconut Water Body Wash by Yes 2 is a fantastic choice. Again, in the description. It's a light, refreshing, perfect for everyday use coconut body wash. This is made with natural ingredients and is good for all skin types. These coconut body washes not only smell amazing, but also leave your skin feeling clean and soft. Try one of these products for a fun and refreshing shower experience. You'll feel like you're on a tropical island every time you wash up.